This is the Jet Blower Fan Max. Alright, so I just wanted to show you this. This is the KickAss Lithium Rechargeable Jet Blower Fan Max. Now, you've probably seen a lot of these on Facebook and Instagram, YouTube. People use them for camping, blowing out swags and tents, but there's a little difference. So I've wanted one of these for a little while, just to use camping, around the house, in the workshop. So I did a little bit of research. There's about 3 or 4 on the market that I liked, and it came down to 2. This one and another one, which I won't name. However, it did an aggressive marketing campaign on social media. But at the end of the day, this one won for me, and I'll tell you why. This KickAss had all the specifications on their website. They had a manual to download. The other one didn't have as many specifications, and I don't think it had its manual. This advertised more safety features than the other one. This one had overcharging cutoff, smart battery protection, built-in safeguards prevent overcharge, deep discharge and overheating, keeping you and your gear safe. This one had thermal protection as well, so if the motor got too hot in a hot environment or used for too long, it would slow itself down to protect itself and the battery, where I couldn't find any information that the other one would do this. And lastly, the reason I got this one is for one simple reason. This has double, actually more than double, the power than the other one. So let's open it up and have a quick look. Inside, we have a nice little bag to store it in. We have some cool QR codes if you want to learn more about how to use it. We have some nice coloured cardboard. And here's the guy himself. This is it here. We also have a USB cable, and this is our inflatable nozzle, and you can swap those out, and I'll show you in a second. But I want to show you the fun stuff first. As you can see, this one looks like it's a little bit heavier and a little bit weightier than the other brand. Got USB-C here. We've got charging lights here and usage lights, and then we've got our fan inside here. You can change the nozzle by unscrewing it, and you can put the inflator nozzle on there if you need to. So we've got 3 modes. We can turn it on. Pretty loud. Press it again. Even louder. And press it one more time and it turns off. But the real power comes if you hold down the power button or the trigger, and it really blows. Level 1. Level 2, level 3. Maximum wind weight, I think for the other brand, was 260 grams. When this is at max, this is 600 grams. So I've had a few KickAss products before and I've always been happy with them. I think I've even got a power analyzer for my solar setup. Because this is great because you can see what the battery is charging at, and or the health of the battery and how much the solar panel is putting into the battery. And that's another nifty little product that they have. So they've got a whole range. And lastly, one of the best things why I chose this brand over the other brand is, of course, it's Australian owned and operated. So if you're looking for one of these for a present for somebody, because you can give it to the missus for inside the house and the patio, give it to your mates or the rest of the family for camping or to their workshop, cleaning out the car, cleaning out the gutters, have a look at the KickAss ones as opposed to the other brands. Make the decision yourself, but this is probably the best one that I've seen. And the reason I'm doing this video is just simply because I didn't see any other reviews online on how good it was. So I'm just blown away about how powerful this is at its top setting. So wind pressure, 275 grams at its first setting, 385 grams at its second setting. So even the second setting is more powerful than the other brand at full bore. And lastly, 600 grams of wind pressure at its max setting. I mean, that's going to blow everything away.